Alright guys, this is Ray at Tri-State Line-X in Angola, Indiana. This is the second stop on Truck Gear's long road to SEMA. We have the 2019 Dodge Ram, and we are putting the suspension kit on it here to make it so that it will change the whole effect of the truck and make it that custom look that we are all going for. Okay folks, Truck Gear's long road to SEMA build here is our 2019 half-ton Dodge Ram. What I have here is the stock strut for that. This is a TrailFX kit here. It's got the preload spacer inside. This is the top of the strut, and then the actual lift sits on top of that. What we do with this here, it maintains a factory ride. A lot of people want to make their truck theirs or call it their own. So to do that, to fit a bigger wheel and tire on there to make it more custom, what they'll do is they'll put a set of 35s like we're doing on here, and to clear that size tire we have to have this kind of kit, as well as these spacers here go into the back of the truck to make it sit level. If you needed to raise just the front of your truck up, we could do that with a 2-inch spacer for a plow system to make it so it sits level. Typically the kind of customers that'll buy this is if people, even if they wanted to do their own driveways to plow them, or it could be somebody just got a brand new truck and wants to make it theirs. Typically it's somebody just wants to make their truck custom. Alright guys, we finished up on that 2019 Ram for the Truck Gear long road to SEMA build. We put that 3.5-inch TrailFX kit on there, and now the truck will be sitting pretty where it's supposed to be. Crystal Lake, we're coming to you.